Stay calm and protected with Dream Security Shadow, a standalone GPS tracker. Shadow is easy to install in a vehicle, bike, boat and even container or trailer. The device can work from a single battery for up to 3 years, has a waterproof housing and is invisible to scanners. Shadow offers a unique feature that automatically chooses mobile network with the best reception and uses GNSS and LBS technologies that enable detecting shadow even if GPS signal is missing. With Dream Security mobile app you can track your current location, view your movement history and manage your operating modes. Shadow operates in 134 countries at no extra costs associated with mobile connection, roaming or additional services. No time to waste. Order Shadow from Dream Security now.